girl, Laisha, and I am back again with another video. Now, you already can tell for that thumbnail and that title what I'm going to do today's video. Now, if you're new to my channel, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. If you're not new, hey, y'all, welcome back to the channel. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I keep hitting this arena, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to adjust it. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I'm so excited. Anywho, got a little package, you know. I don't have nothing to open it. I left my what you call it? Cutter knife. I left it in the car. And then if you, well, I don't know if y'all gonna ask why I got the cutter knife. You know, if you know, you know. If you don't, then stay tuned for my TikTok video. That'll be, you know, posted. See, there I go. I cut myself again, bro. Like, I'm always cutting myself. Hey, y'all, I finally got me a camera. Like, I finally got me a camera, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. I've been saving so much money for a freaking camera. Like, I told myself I was gonna get a camera. So y'all keep changing my finger. I kept telling myself I'm gonna get a camera. Cause like what I be recording on is my iPhone 8 Plus. And y'all know I got that little button. But you know it's okay. Because I'm gonna still use this phone for backup if this sugar die. Cause if it die, I got a backup. But yeah, so we finna do this unboxing video. Yeah. So you already know the content finna be good. Cause I already got my like accessories with it. Like I got one of them Friday and the other package Saturday. Cause this camera was supposed to come August 1st, but it came early. Like I think it was God telling me, you know, no, you need to get back on the YouTube like now. So here's the thing, you know. I'm so scary. I was like, bro, cause I don't know how to use a camera. Like I've been like, bro, when I tell you, this is very upgrade for me. Ooh, okay. Wait a minute. This is a huge upgrade for me. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay. Oh. It definitely does need a battery. Oh my gosh, but it looks so cute, y'all. Oh my god, okay. I guess this is like a charger or something. I'm gonna read the instructions and stuff. Cause I ain't never had no camera. This is my first camera and yeah. Girl, I've been doing my research on it and everything else. So yeah, I'm over here feeling stuff, trying to figure out what's what. Okay. Oh shit. No, wait. Oh, I was right. Oh, okay. Let's see what else is in this package. Oh. My so. Oh, they already gave me a battery. Oh shit. Okay, hold on. Let me. Lord, bear with me. I just see this is funny, bro. Don't laugh at me, y'all. Please don't laugh at me. A girl is struggling right now. Oh, I gotta put my SD card in here too. I don't know if they get what the. Oh, that's the little fluffy thing. I'm over here like, what the frick is this? Aw, that is cute. But how you take it off? There's so many papers and names in here. Okay, put my phone right there. Yeah, it's not a bad cut, y'all. It's not a bad cut. It's not a bad cut. We won't do that again. Okay, y'all, so let's hurry into the packaging. I brought some more batteries just in case. And it comes like with this little, like this little cute little area. Like you put the batteries in here and it charges. And then I think this is the charger for it, which comes in handy. So it's like 3 of them, so you know it won't die. I'm gonna leave that back in the box because we won't need that right now. Got the little case for it. You already know I had to get the case for my camera. You already know. I don't know if y'all want to see me wiping and stuff. That's up to y'all. If y'all want to see me wipe it, y'all can. If not, y'all can just skip it. I'm being so for real. That's if y'all want to. But this is the case. Looks so cute. And then got a memory. You know, you gotta get the storage, whatever you want to call it, storage. I got the 128 gigabyte. And y'all, hopefully I won't be scared and nervous using this camera out in public, because boy, y'all know I do not like when people be looking at me while I'm making videos and stuff. Like, that is like a big fear for me. Y'all, I'm trying to open this and it's not letting me open it. Like, it's making me mad. Oh, they gave me, I don't know what this is. I guess that's just, I don't know. Oh, for the screen. That is cute. Okay. For the fingerprints and stuff. Okay. That's neat. I see what y'all did there, Amazon. I see what y'all did there. But I'm trying to get this other thing open. Like, I'm about to get mad. But y'all know I'm way overdue for a video. Like, I know. Like, and this right here is for the mounts. You know, I had to get it in white. I wanted to get the camera in black, but I was like, nah, let's do white. And that's that for the camera. You already know when I do my little foggy. Oh, it go right there. Oh, that's hard. That's hard. And I guess it's like when I have my phone, like the phone that I have right now recording. I guess this is for that. Put it in the chair. Put it in the chair. Put it in the chair. Put it in the box. Last but not least, y'all. Got a thing for my car. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all I got a car, y'all. Like, oh my goodness. Like, I'm telling y'all, like, I've been so freaking busy. Like, I just been busy working. Like, I don't get no days off. Like, normally right now, I'll be still asleep. Like, it's almost 6 o'clock. Like, it's almost 6 o'clock. I normally sleep. But I got up because I had to call my school, to handle business. So I was like, yeah, let me handle this business because, yeah. But this is so cute. Oh my God. Oh yeah, we gonna put this in my car and I'm gonna let y'all, yeah. Because I'm gonna give y'all a little car tour of my car too. Let me know if y'all want to tour of my car because, yeah, she's outside. That girl chilling. Okay, so I'm still, hold on y'all. We gonna pause this real quick. Alright y'all, we back. Okay, so I already put the SD card, I think that's what it's called. And now we're gonna put a battery in. look so cute. Oh my god. Yeah, I kind of did it. Whatchamacallit, the little thingy majigga. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Because I was having some little difficulties. Like, when I tell y'all I was having difficulties. Okay, so later on, I'm going to do, like, the, whatchamacallit, like, the little settings and stuff. I'm going to do that on later on. Right now, I'm trying to, whatchamacallit, oh, how to... Y'all see, gotta get used to this. Oh, it's touchscreen. Bruh, I did not know this thing was touchscreen. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off because it's about to die. Okay, anywho, let's get back to this unboxing because y'all, like, bruh, I'm new at this. But yeah, if y'all have a camera, please give me some tips and advice on camera because I am new at this stuff. But yeah, that's all for this video. I know this video probably gonna be, you know, like, what is she doing? Like, she don't know how to work on camera. No, I don't agree with it. But anywho, y'all, thank you for watching this video. And just subscribe, share my video, like, just share my video because, like, we're finna be doing big things this year and going up and up and up and up because we're finna get this money. We finna be famous. We finna do a lot of stuff. I've been achieving my goals all this year and I'm gonna keep pushing and achieving my goals. Cause yeah. But anywho, that's enough talking. That's for another video. Now, anywho, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. And see, that's how you know it's been a long time because, you know, I got so much to say. My phone dropped. But anywho, I'm done talking. I hope y'all enjoyed this video because it was a process. But I'm done talking. Let me stop talking because I will talk y'all ear off with this video. But yeah, y'all, I love y'all. See y'all in the next video.